Look at her surrounded by her stuff.
Yeah, come here, Nance.
That's from Justin. That's from your goddaddy. That's from Nanny.
Stay. Which one's from Nanny?
This one and this.
Oh,
That's
Justin's
Justin,
the godfather?
and then we
I
just
like it. You're a little baby.
You got a baby?
I eat the baby.
Ask me my phone so I can take a picture.
Look, you get the bag for Grandma.
Shit, it was right up.
Isn't that cute? I couldn't resist.
Oh, it already fell. Oh, sorry.
These are only Get out of everybody's way.
They have Leapfrog for her too?
Girls.
Do you have to download stuff there?
I don't know what's on there.
Natalie Grace.
I hear.
Natalie Grace.
Get this loot out of the boxes.
What? Your toys?
She wants to open them.
Natalie.
Uh-oh.
Wait. Let her go for the paper.
Mama.
That's all she's going to want is the
Look.
paper. Nancy, come here.
Yes, let her be.
Let her just go for the paper. See if she does it.
Natalie Grace.
Then you can go what's inside.
Natalie. Natalie.
Natalie.
Booby cheeks.
What? There's too many people. What the hell?
You got the baby?
It's like the baby.
Let her go. Watch out.
Watch out, man. Let her go for it. What's in there, Nat?
She's like, nah. I got this thing. This thing's pretty good. Natalie. Booby
Just
cheeks.
she'll find it. Let her have her own little playground time. She's like surrounded.
Yeah, she is. Right.
What does she call her? Booby cheeks?
Yeah, that's what I call it. Booby cheeks.
Nancy, you called Natalie booby cheeks?
Yep.
That's so cute.
Where'd you get that vanilla ice?
No, I just did big cheeks, so it's
What is vanilla ice good? Remember we were talking about how he has the show and he calls
Oh, MC Hammer, you mean?
MC Hammer.
And he calls his son Booby.
Yeah, boobies.
Why? I don't know.
I know. The son's 13, he doesn't like it too much.
Following her.
Nancy knows she's got ulterior motives. Lori, grab that one box right here.
Which one? This learning group?
Thank you.
You gotta go inside, Mama. Oh, you found a brush.
Oh, she's got a very southern accent, but you gotta go inside.
So does Emily.
What's in there,
Emily
Booby
knows
Cheeks?
some songs. She has to say cheese like that.
I don't know about that one, Mama.
Come on, Booby Cheeks, go!
Watch out, be careful. Just had to buy the one little doll and
Yep.
it would have been okay.
I've never seen a doll that small.
Mommy, she can't zoom in like me.
What number is that, Emily?
Well,
12.
that was easy. We don't see you next year.
It was something that was already here. You just wrap that up.
That's what I said.